to wish everybody out there a happy new year. I know you haven't seen much of us lately, and we've just been kind of living life a little bit, not getting the camera out as much, and don't want to say, oh, this is going to be a New Year's resolution, but we do hope to get more videos out this coming year, 2020. And kind of like to hear back from you and see, what kind of videos do y'all like? Do y'all want to see? Y'all want to see the RVing with the motorhome, outdoor cooking or cooking in general, with the Jeep, doing stuff with the Jeep, doing stuff with the Subaru, which I'm in now. I did a little bit with the Subaru. I did some car camping one night with the Subaru, and I can definitely do more of that. Just travel, basic travel, primarily, stuff around North Carolina. Sorry about the shake there. Stuff around North Carolina or Michigan. Let us know what you want to see. What kind of more stuff do you want to see more life type stuff? I mean, I know that can be pretty boring. People didn't come to our channel though just to watch simple little lifestyle or life type of stuff that we do. So the lifestyle we live, I should say. But anyway, boat. I'm going across the lake right now. It made me think about the boat. The boat's winterized right now. I won't be using that for a few more months, but yeah. Let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see going forward, and we're going to try our best to get more videos out there. Some of them may be more lackluster than the others, but we'll try and see what we can do. And like I said, I hope you're having a good New Year's, and may 2020 be, bring you lots of luck and health, and make your family life good, and hopefully you get to do things you want to do, and we'll talk to you later. Y'all have a good one. Bye.